Hi there, welcome back to Weto tutorials, and here's another quick tip for you. If you want to make a small notch in your 3D elements just as wide as a saw blade, we have a free saw groove tool just for this purpose. Click on the command and select your element you want to modify. Select a distance and the plane in which you want to make the cut. Right now we will have a vertical cut which goes all the way through our element. We can change the depth of it. We can change the longitudinal measure, which means where starts this cut, and the longitudinal measure E means where it ends. And both of these parameters are measured from the starting point where you clicked first when you defined the distance. So if I want to make a longer cut, I need to insert a bigger number here. The transverse measure A means the point on this side where it starts, where the cut starts. As you can see, if I insert 5 centimeters here, it means my cut will start 5 centimeters measured from this point. If I go back to 15, it means the whole 15 centimeters width of my wooden element. So you can make an incline here with setting this, I'd say, 0, and the transverse measure E again back to 0, no, back to 15, yes. So it goes from this side all the way to the opposite side back there. And if I set this to 200, now we have connected these two opposite sides, corners maybe. And on top of that you can add an incline horizontally. If I add 90 degrees, then it becomes a flat cut. If I insert 45 degrees, as you can see, it becomes an angled cut. Click OK, and here we have our cut we just made. And this was our quick tip for today in Viskon 16.